Dollar Tree already has Easter stuff. There's a wreath with Easter eggs, and it is $5. And then we've got big Easter eggs full of Easter eggs, $3. A giant Hippity Hop rabbit, and that is $3. Some big Easter bunny things to hang on your door, and that is $5. Hopping on in sign with little carrots on it, and that is $3. We have a cookie Easter egg cottage, no baking needed. It's $5. Look at these giant signs down here. Hippity Hoppity. See if I can find a price. And here's one that says, I just love big Hippity Hoppity signs. Look at that. Easter eggs, bunnies, these are $3. All these signs are $3 each. Happy Easter. Some of the stuff you can paint, $3. Easter blessings, hello spring, welcome. Giant Easter egg down there. There's a huge wreath with little hidden eggs and little stuff in it. It's really pretty. We have green, and blue, and yellow. Flower pots with flowers. A stand with a wreath that is really pretty. And a basket tree with eggs. Some trays and boxes. This is a box. There's nothing over $5. Happy Easter. Let's see, I think that's all the, look at that.